2,000 participants. Only language, Agritourism, July 3rd, 2025. Join us in unveiling the massive wealth generation opportunities in the agritourism sector at the World Agritourism Festival, powered by Extra Large Farms and Resorts. Keynote speaker, Honorable Abike Dabiri Erewa, CEO, Nigerians in Diaspora Commission. Dr. Rotimi Fashola, Special Advisor to the Lagos State Governor on Agriculture. Farmer Sheye Davis, CEO, Extra Large Farms and Resorts. Ezekiel Sholesi, World's Best Strategy Coach, CEO, Limp Simple Business Academy. Moji Davis, MD, Extra Large Farms and Resorts, Chief Host. For tickets and partnership information, call or WhatsApp 0807-375-2251 or visit agtfestival.extralargeresorts.com.